Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove background noise from your video and mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my mobile phone, and first of all, we need to go to the Google Play Store or Apple Store. If you are an Android user, you can go to the Play Store, but if you are an iOS user, you can go to your Apple Store. And then we're going to download an application called Noise Eraser. We can go to the search menu and then search for Noise Eraser application. Okay, and you have to download this application and install it on your mobile phone. Here, as you can see guys, I have installed this application, so I just need to open this application. I'm going to tap on open. And then you have to log in to this application before you use it to remove the background noise from your video. Here I have logged in with my Google account guys. So now I just need to click on import clips. Okay, and I'm going to select video since we want to remove background noise from our video. And then we're going to select the video we want to remove the background noise from. I'm just going to select random video guys, maybe this one, and I'm going to click on add. Okay, wait guys, and then click on start analysis. Okay, hold on, do not close this noise eraser because now the video is being analyzed. Okay, and then we can click on edit noise ratio. Okay, I'm going to show you the original video guys. I'm going to click on the original. So this is for the original audio in my video, and I'm going to click on clarity. Okay, it sounds better, right? Okay, and after that you're going to click on save and share. Okay, and I'm going to click on export. All right, and now the video has been exported to my gallery. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove background noise from our video using a mobile phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.